Best Kindle for 2022. Hello peeps, today we'll take a look at the best Kindle in the market. I made this list based on my favorite, and I'm trying to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the up-to-date prices and more information about these excellent Kindles, you can check out the link in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Kindle. Kindle is one of my favorite devices. They're simple, reliable, and perfect at what they do. In one palm-sized device, you can bring thousands of books with you to the park or mountain. They get more than a month of battery life per charge, and you can subscribe to get unlimited books from Amazon. You can also get free books from your local library. If you want a basic ebook reader, this has all the essentials. The base Kindle has an adequate 6-inch e-ink capacitive touchscreen for reading, and it lights up so you can read in the dark. A first for Kindle under $100. If you can spend $20 more, you should opt for no ads. It can also stream Audible audiobooks to headphones via Bluetooth, but storage is limited to 8 gigabytes. For reference, an hour of audio will take up about 30 megabytes, so it can probably fit dozens of audiobooks. You can delete audiobooks when you're done to clear space. It gets about 3 to 6 weeks of battery life, depending on how much you read. Number 2. Kindle Paperwhite. The new Paperwhites have bigger 6.8-inch screens with smaller bezels, plus faster page turns, hopefully, no more lag during an exciting read. Even with the max brightness increased by 10%. It has 32 gigabytes of storage, which means more space for your favorite audiobooks. It has wireless charging, means less hassle when you head it out. It even has thinner borders, which give more reading space for all the bookworms out there. And an auto-adjusting front light means more leisurely reading day or night. It will have adjustable warm white lighting, like the Oasis, and a dark mode. As with the last model, these are waterproof, so you can read by the pool or in the bathtub. Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition is thin, lightweight, and travels anywhere with you, so you can enjoy your favorite books at any time. With over 300 signature PPI Paperwhite glare-free display, now it is 10% brighter at its max setting, and you can read in any light now. Now with easier access to device settings and new bottom navigation to easily switch between home, library, or the book you are currently reading. Plus, an alternative fast setup experience using the Kindle app on your phone. The Kindle Paperwhite automatically puts your device to sleep when closed and wake upon opening, making it easy to get back to your story. Number 3. Kindle Oasis. The all-new Kindle Oasis features the largest 7-inch 300 ppi display using the latest e-link technology and a sleek ergonomic design with page turn buttons, perfect for one-handed reading. Introducing an adjustable warm light for a richer reading experience in any lighting. The Oasis costs the same as 3 standard Kindles, but it's an absolute joy to use. Many Oasis features now show up in the new Paperwhites, like adjustable warm lighting and a faster processor. At 7 inches, the touchscreen is now only slightly more significant than the new Paperwhites now, too. However, it still has a sleek aluminum design with a ridge on one edge and physical buttons to turn the pages. These make it ideal for one-handed reading. The light-up display also looks a little more natural and automatically adjusts the brightness. If you're investing in a Kindle this expensive, you may also want the premium leather cover to complete the luxe feel. On the downside, it's too large to fit in many pockets. And if your library includes a ton of audiobooks, you'll want the 32 gigabyte option, which is $30 more. The Audible books are a real plus. Having Bluetooth apps, the Kindle can pair with almost any Bluetooth device. I paired it with my Bose headset and Bluetooth speaker, and I got to say it feels so good. I am thrilled with this new Kindle. Having small cataracts in my eyes, along with my stigmatism, made reading books so unpleasant. The Kindle changed that immediately. I hope to become an avid reader. Number 4. Kindle Paperwhite Kids. The Kindle Paperwhite Kids is a 10th generation Kindle dressed up in a cute case and a year's subscription to Amazon Kids Plus, letting parents monitor and filter content. Yes, you could buy a regular Kindle, but the upcharge includes a 2-year no questions asked replacement guarantee. If your kid smashes it just once, you get your money back. From timeless classics like Bridge to Terabithia to popular series like Harry Potter and the Keeper of Lost Cities, Kindle Paperwhite Kids has books that inspire a love of reading. The selection in Kids Plus has also vastly improved over the last few years. Audible books and Spanish titles are now available in Kindle Paperwhite Kids. You can also access the same Kids Plus platform across other Amazon devices, like the Kids Edition Fire tablets or the new Echo Dot. If you're going to get your kid an entertainment device, an ebook reader that doesn't have a browser or access to social media is probably as safe as you can get. Kindle Paperwhite Kids is a waterproof IPX8 rated and has been lab tested to protect against accidental immersion in up to 2 meters of fresh water for up to 60 minutes and a 0.25 meters for 3 minutes in seawater. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like to review next in the comment section. And don't forget to check the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.